This right here, which is barely any food, is 1,073 calories. I know a lot of people that could eat this before 10 a.m. no problem.
Bro, I could tear through that before 7 a.m. and it just wouldn't even count. That would be like a pre-breakfast like nibble. It's not even gonna touch the sides.
This right here is a lot more food. It's 950 calories. So before we start stressing out and worrying about fruit having too much sugar or you cannot have a tortilla, monitor your liquid calories and your snacks.
Yeah, liquid calories are the worst to consume because you can tank through an orange juice or whatever that green stuff is in like 20 seconds. It's gonna hit 300 calories and you're gonna be hungry straight away and just move on to the next thing. Compared with a glass of water, which is 0 calories.
This right here is no problem. There's almost 90 grams of protein, 25 grams of fiber, compared to this, which has 20 grams of protein, 7 grams of fiber, and once you eat this, you'll be hungry within 20 to 30 minutes.
It's not easy, right? Because how long does it take to prepare the meal on the left compared to the meal on the right? You can just pop into like a 7-Eleven or whatever shop and just pick that up, be on your way, and like this one on the right, it takes time to prepare. So I'm not gonna pretend it's easy and it doesn't take any effort. And look, if your nutrition is like completely out of whack and you just can't lose weight no matter what you try, I think it just comes down to like taking small daily steps, right? Because you can't go from like a really bad diet to an amazing diet like in one day. There's a lot of information, there's stuff to learn, there's habits to change, there's like, the forethought and the planning that needs to go into it. So it comes down to like small daily choices and every day seeing like, can I make one choice better today than yesterday? So swapping out the muffin for the banana, that's one choice that you can make every day. The next day, make a different choice. Can I, instead of having that bar, whatever it is, that pre-packaged stuff, can I just boil some eggs and just eat some eggs? I mean, that's easy, right? Easy, small choices that you can just like build, stack up, compound on top of each other every single day. That's gonna be easier than trying to make huge wholesale changes to your diet in like one day, which is just it's gonna be overwhelming. It's gonna be too much.
Let's keep nutrition simple by focusing on real food and with time, focusing on portion awareness.
Exactly, it doesn't all happen in one go. First, take a look at what you're eating. Can I make swaps for, processed stuff for whole foods? Can I have better portion control, smaller portions? Can I cut out sugary drinks? Can I have low calorie, high volume meals instead of high calorie, low volume meals? Can I replace unhealthy processed snacks with, natural snacks? If you start making little choices like that, eventually they're all gonna compound and you're gonna start seeing real progress. If you want more no BS health and fitness tips, drop me a follow and I'll see you on the next one.